Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. It's just current energy check-in. The rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. It's general reading. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Sagittarius, on your side, let's see what we have. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Wands. You're done with this on and off, in and out kind of energy within a particular partnership, collaboration, or it might be a work partnership turning into a meaningful situation or the vice versa, but you want something very stable, meaningful, equal give and take of energy, and no interference of other people, other situations, or other things in the situation. You are telling me, Sagittarius, that Anjali, I'm done with this on and off, in and out, immature behavior, immature kind of energy. One day they are here, one day they are not here, then they are again here. It's like a game of addiction, as if somebody is addicted to the highs and lows of a situation, but you are no longer wanting to be a part of this game because you're telling me that I am serious, I am there, I'm standing still, I'm providing whatever I can from my side in order to make a situation work out beautifully and positively. But they're always on and off, in and out, playing games, and maybe not consciously, but it's like their nature of behavior. There might be some kind of age difference factor or maturity difference factor here that's making things a little bit more tougher than it is already. Hmm? And you're telling me I can't handle it anymore, this on and off, in and out. It needs to go. Okay. For Sagittarius, the energy attached to you, let's see what we have. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Judgment. It's like they are just born today only. According to them, see, I'm trying to figure out ways to be stable in my life. I'm trying to just enjoy my life to the fullest. I'm still a kid. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm trying to release everything or everyone and like that haunted me in the past, that traumatized me, or they have a past that might be a little darker than what it is seemingly. So this is somebody who's trying to figure it out again from scratch, and trying to release expectations, trying to release everything and everyone that they were once holding on to for dear life. Actually, to be honest with you, Sagittarius, their energies are not that much connected to you individually, but just in this energy of, okay, let me figure it out myself, with myself. It's my life, it's my journey, and I'm just trying to release a lot of things, people, or situation that I was holding on to. Okay. Okay. So it's like baby steps, and there might be a little. I'm not saying there is either. Again, there is either maturity difference or age difference, and the younger one is trying to still figure it out. The one who is mature enough or having, the elder one is just done with this because they're like they can't handle it anymore. Hmm, that's what's happening here. Let's see for the connection what we have, Sagis. We have the Ace of Swords, the Fool card, the Empress. See, it's a risky investment, but things can work out. Yeah. It's like if you guys have the ability to talk to each other honestly, you know, if you guys can bring the truth in the situation, like them, their truth from their side, your truth from your side, and take the risk of making things work out again, this situation can actually work out if both of you can understand the differences, if both of you can understand that they are different and you are different. This connection can work out. It's actually something that you guys have to work on very, very patiently. One of you have to be the mother or the father figure. The other person have to level up and grow up. Gradually it can happen. It's not going to be a deal where you are going to talk to this person today and everything is going to be fine by tomorrow. Yes, it's a risky investment where things might not go to the level of, marriage or commitment or long term partnership, but this situation can actually teach both of you a lot of things, lessons, and both of you are going to grow a lot in this situation. Only if both of you can understand the differences, understand that both of you are different people with different energies and different conditioning, you guys can be best friends first, actually best friends first, and then maybe see where things can go if you guys want to. Otherwise, it might fall apart with time anyways. For you, the guidance here is a world card. Yeah, you have to finish one chapter here. You have to close a cycle here, like proper closing, proper ending of a cycle, maybe with the same individual, maybe with something else, someone else. There is something that's keeping you stuck in a loop, and you have to break that cycle, you have to break that loop. Maybe you are one of those people who keeps on attracting the same kind of energy again and again and again and again. Once you are aware, you can stop this cycle, you can finish this chapter. Otherwise it's going to be a never ending cycle. Okay, and if you can understand the differences, understand the energies, good to go. If you don't want to stop this cycle, break it right now and move ahead. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.